In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $127,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I'm going to show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliates so you can start making some commission like this just by using free traffic. And for people who are already watched my videos, I'm going to share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because it's trending right now, and I'm gonna show you this affiliate link. Okay, let's get started. So I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, and as you can see, I'm gonna update this page again, and here you go. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in my balance over here, it's because when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 here. Okay, so right now I don't have any commission yet, so but I'm sure I will get commission very soon over here again. Okay, anyway, so for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community, and so let me show you. Go to community, click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, you can check this website so you can get idea about the commission plan. They have new commission plan. You will earn 25% for every new buyer who will buy a service from your affiliate link, and you will keep getting 10% revenue share. Okay, for all future orders. Okay, so if this person keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep getting 10% revenue share, and that's really amazing. Okay, you can check this website and you will get more ideas. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on become an affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. So just put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language, and if you have Skype, put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few question, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so let me show you. I'm gonna make it like this. You should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to open a Pinterest business account. Okay, so if you don't have a Pinterest business account yet, so what you will do, you will just need to go to Google and just search for Pinterest. Make sure to open business account. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go again to Google. Okay, and you will search, this time you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for Pinterest trend like this, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. So you should start using Pinterest trend to see which products and which services are trending right now, so you can start promoting those services or products on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer so you can earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services, you need to choose trending services and products. Okay, so let me show you. Go to Pinterest trend. You can click over here on this on the country. Okay, and choose which country you want to target. So for me, for example, I'm gonna work on United States. Okay, I want audience from United States. I will keep it like this. I will scroll down, and Pinterest will give me those trending services and products right now in the last 13 days in United States. Okay, top trends in United States this month. Okay, so those are the trending products right now, this the Valentine days. So I will click over here to see if I can some services that are trending now. So let me see, let's search. Okay, this one I can work on, this one wallpaper background. Okay, wallpaper. So let me check if we can find a good one. Valentine's Day quote. Okay, let's check this one. So for example, quote, I'm gonna click on this quote. Okay, I will scroll down, click over here, and choose last past 3 months. Okay, scroll down, and you will see over here related trends. Okay, so I think this one is really good. Let's check this one, inspirational quote. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Let me see, this one is great to promote as an affiliate service. Okay, you can see that this one is going good. Okay, this one is trending right now. Okay, this one is trending this month. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this keyword, inspirational quote. Okay, I will go to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search. Okay, search for this keyword, inspirational quote. Okay, like this, and you will find a lot of people who are providing this service. Okay, if you scroll down, as you can see, we can find there are a lot of people here who are providing this service. Okay, and it's just for $10. Like this one can make almost like 100 inspirational image quote with logo in just 24 hours. This one is good. Okay, level 2 seller. So if you want to choose good sellers, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. I'm gonna choose this one. This one, I will just click on his service. He has a lot of reviews and his service is just for $10. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile seller link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It's gonna take you to this page. Click over here and put this profile seller link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page. You need to upload a picture about this service. So just go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, click on his picture, double click, click on save image. Okay, so just save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it quote. Okay, like this. I will go back to Pinterest, click here. Okay, and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture. Open. So what you will do next, you will put here title. So just go back to this profile page on Fiverr. Okay, to this seller profile page, copy his title like this, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, scroll down, you need description, go back to his profile page, keep scrolling down, you should see over here about this gig. Okay, so this is his description. I'm gonna copy this description. I will copy just this part. You can copy. Okay, I'm gonna copy just this one. You can copy, you can make this description small. Okay, so for Pinterest, go back to Pinterest, put this description here like this. Okay, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So let's go back to Fiverr affiliate account. Let's copy our affiliate link from here. Okay, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short. So for me, I will use this website. You can go to Google, search for this website, or you can search for Bitly. Those websites make long links short for free. You just need to put your affiliate link here like this and click here, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. Okay, looks good. I will copy this affiliate link from here. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this affiliate link here. I will scroll down. You need to choose a board. Okay, click over here, and what you will do, so if you have new Pinterest account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. So I already have a lot, so I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags, okay, keyword related to this service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. You will scroll down, keep scrolling down, so you should find related, you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords and go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here like this. Make sure to use all the keywords, just use as many keywords as you can. Okay, so people will find this pin in Pinterest. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your pin will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, and we are promoting this service that it's trending now on Pinterest. Okay, you can see over here inspirational quote, it's trending, okay, in United States. So that's it. This is my method, guys. That's how I promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.